Hey, what's up people out there? How are you? Well guys, as you have already seen on my thumbnail, that is agree with versus agree to, and might be possible that you are still in confusion with these two words. So after watching this video, I don't think so you are in any sorts of confusion at least with these two words, right? Well, many times it happens that we use agree to in place of agree with, or in place of agree with we use agree to. So this is not right, because when you use agree with in place of agree to, you're changing the whole meaning of that sentence, and it sounds very foolish actually. I mean, it means, it also shows that you're novice, you're not experienced person, or your English is very weak. So it is always better to not to become fool in the front of any person, instead to better to learn to something, right? And so that's why I always make video. This is the video English special video series number 10, and after I'm going to bring so many series for you guys, don't worry about it. So it is always better to learn few and in a form way than learning so many things you are not getting anything, right? So to follow the same philosophy, I just make short videos for you guys. Otherwise long videos is boring for me, for you as well. So short video, getting the thing is very much important than just knowing long video not to getting anything. So let's start it. Agree, agree with, agree to. Many times it happens that in place of with he will give you to, or in place of to he will give to with, right? Many times you will see in any of the competitive exam, they just try to make fool students by just interchanging the preposition of it, right? And if any person who is unaware about, he simply mark agree to, oh it sounds good and meaning is also good, this or that, but they are unaware about the fact that this is absolutely wrong. You are doing the mistake and you are not acknowledging that you are doing mistake, right? So this is very important to understand the difference between agree with and agree to. Let's start it with agree. Agree with. Well, as far as agree with is concerned, agree is a word who follow the preposition with, right? When we are agree with any person, when we are agree with any person, then we will use agree with. Getting my point? Suppose you are agree with me, it means what? You are agree with me, you are agree with me, I am a human being. So being a human, you are agree with me, so you will use agree with, right? Let's take an example. I am agree with my girlfriend. मैं एग्री हूँ किससे? अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से. माई गर्लफ्रेंड इज अ फीमेल, सी इज what? She is a human being, so I am agree with a person, right? So I will use agree with. He agreed with me. He might be taking up X is a person who agreed with me. Me is agree with, suppose Y. is agree with y is a person, x is a person. So whenever any person agree with any person, this is when we use agree with. Getting my point? Now it's time to understand agree to. Agree is a word follow the preposition to, right? Suppose you are looking for a business. You are looking for a business means you want to start your own business, but you don't have that much of capital, you don't have that much of money, you don't have that much of finance, right, to spend, and you don't have a good plan. Suppose your friend who is also looking for a business to start, he want to just start a startup. So he has plan, he has money, but he has not any partner to trust upon and to work with. So one day he met with you, and after discussing, you both talk with each other that I'm looking this or that. He will say I'm also looking this or that, right? So after listening that person, plan, strategy, what are the pro and cons, all the things. You suppose your name is X, you with you agreed to Y, agreed his proposal, idea, plan, strategy. So you will use I am agreed to his proposal. Getting my point? Is suppose me, why my girlfriend, my girlfriend. Suppose my girlfriend has a good plan, a good idea, a good proposal. So what? She told me that I have this or that plan and idea and concept. So I will say I am agree to your proposal, or like agree to we use when we agree with any person's proposal, idea, plan, strategy. Getting my point? As like I am agree with my girlfriend on the topic of, not on her strategy, plan, idea, concept. I'm not agree with her, I'm agree her plan, strategy, concept. Getting my point? Me, girlfriend, I'm agree with him. As like agree with, that is a different story. But here I'm agree her plan, idea, concept, strategy. For this I will use to. Agree to I will use, right? Got it? As like take an example. He agreed to my proposal. Here he is agreed to his proposal, not to him, not with him, to his proposal. Getting my point? I am agreed I am agreed to my girlfriend proposal. Right. I am agreed to what? Agreed to my girlfriend proposal. I'm not agree with my girlfriend. I'm agreed to my girlfriend proposal, plan, strategy, concept. Getting my point? So agree to with plan, concept, idea, any strategy. If you are agree with any strategy, plan, idea of any person, you will use agree to. When you agree with any person, not with concept, with person. If you agree with any person, you will use with. Any plan, strategy, concept, any kind of anything means any idea, you will use to, not with person, to his or her plan. If you are agree with any person, you will use with. I hope you got it. Well guys, this is all about this video and have a great take care of yourself, and I hope you got it, how to use with and how to use to. Have a great day.